Welcome to iOSTips&Tricks. Today the tip or trick I'm going to tell you is how to control brightness with the home button. Like this. Yeah, it's cool. So, the first thing you need to do is go to Settings, go to Accessibility, here, yeah. Then scroll down, Accessibility shortcut, Active Zoom, scroll up, go to Zoom, and where it puts Zoom region, tap on Full Screen Zoom. Okay, that's fine. So, in Accessibility shortcut, only choose Zoom, not more. And that's it. You go to Home button and 3 clicks. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.